Looking your best is easy when it comes to the number of choices for men's fashion here in Lehigh Valley. Now, we know shopping can be a drag, but we can probably guarantee that what you're searching for is right under your nose. Tie those shoes and let's go. Spruce up your wardrobe at Assembly 88 in Allentown. This men's clothing shop focuses on quality brands and great customer service. Find just what you're looking for, from shoe brands like On and Lehigh to clothing brands like Peter Millar and Viore. Blending the strength of the city's manufacturing heritage with the smooth professionalism of its 21st century renaissance, Assembly 88 offers something for every guy who wants to look good from 9 to 5 and from 5 to 9. The staff's goal is to make guys feel good about shopping and about themselves. Make sure your dollar goes far when it comes to what you wear. We get it, durability is key, which brings us to All Weather Selvage denim located at the Promenade Shops in Center Valley. The mission of All Weather Selvage is sustainable denim fashion suitable for all occasions. The store was named Selvedge because AW's fabrics are woven on vintage shuttle looms. This technique was originally patented by Levi Strauss in 1873 when jeans were intended as a durable workwear. The owner moved from strictly online sales to a brick-and-mortar storefront after deciding there's nothing quite like shopping in person, especially for denim. Shopping here is a personal experience centered around finding the fabric and the fit that suits you best. There are a couple of special discounts offered. A hole-in-one on the golf putt challenge can earn you a free pair of jeans. You can also earn discounts on items in the store by leaving a Google review before you check out or besting the owner in his Nintendo arcade. And you might want to talk sports with the owner, Andre Williams. He's a former NFL football player. Now let's get fancy at the London Shop. Helping you make a great first impression since 1939. The London Shop in Easton is a family-owned and operated store selling men's suits, sportswear, and outerwear. Drip from head to toe in great brands tailored to fit you for your next big event, or grab a fresh tie and new shoes to elevate your go-to look. Get personal attention from a knowledgeable staff ready to help you find the product that reflects your personal style. Need something repaired or altered? The London Shop can help you with that too. We know it might not be your favorite thing to do on a weekend, but we're confident with the stores we showed you today, you'll wish you went all the time. It's like I say, look good, feel good, do good, and you deserve it. I'm Holly Harrow with Discover Lehigh Valley, and that was a peek at the valley.
To watch more of The Peak, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram.